welcome back to my kitchen. Now I love seafood and I particularly love prawns. Tonight is going to be a special dish. It's going to be prawns alla busara.
Or prawns in tomato sauce to you and me.
Now don't they look so delicious? So scrummy, I can't wait to get started. So the ingredients for this recipe are as follows. We're going to need some of these lovely, very large, uncooked jumbo prawns that we've got here. I do like a pinch of chili flakes. We've got some saffron. This is excellent Spanish saffron. We're going to need some olive oil, some shallots, tomatoes, and about 3 cloves of garlic that I've got here, some tomato paste, and a splash of white wine, and of course some salt and pepper for seasoning.
Now I'm going to make a start with the tomatoes. I like to blanch these first because I'm going to take the skins off and it makes life so much easier. A minute in boiling water is all they need. There we go. I cut this a couple of times, this tomato, and watch this. Look at it, as if by magic. So I'm going to finish off all of these tomatoes, and then when that's done I'm going to cut them up fairly small. Don't have to be too fussy, just roughly chopped. So into a pan I'll go with a drop of olive oil, followed by shallots. I've chopped these up quite small as well. There we go, pop those in, give these a little bit of a stir around, and we're going to cook these through till they're translucent. Now I'm going to check the prawns to see if they've got a little nasty vein in there, but no, they've got the all clear. Otherwise, some people like them taken out, these little veins, but it doesn't particularly bother me. So now, our shallots have cooked down quite nicely. I'm adding 2 or 3 tablespoons full of tomato paste, and of course our minced up garlic. Pop that in, give that a little stir around. Then moving on, we add a hefty glug of a good quality white wine. In that goes. Nice little sizzle going on there.
And of course I like to add a pinch of chili flakes.
You don't have to do this if you don't want, but I think it just gives that little bit extra. And of course a hefty pinch of saffron. Sprinkle that around. Now that really makes a difference. Good old Spanish saffron, lovely. Then in with our chopped tomatoes. I'm going to cook these down for quite a while, get all these flavours going, all mixed in. If it dries out, add a touch of water. Keep it stirred so it doesn't catch on the bottom. Then a bit of seasoning, a bit of black pepper there going in. Followed by a bit of salt. Now we can season our prawns too. Our lovely jumbo prawns there. A little bit of salt and pepper, both sides. Another pan, separate pan. Drop of olive oil again, and then we go with the prawns. Now these are raw prawns. They're soon cooked through. You'll soon know when they're cooked. They go nice and pink like this. Then our sauce, going back to our sauce, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of breadcrumbs in there, thicken it up a little bit, and then we mix the two together. Prawns in with the sauce. Or you could do sauce in with the prawns, entirely up to you. Stir them around, keep it nice and warm. Looking delicious. Little bit of parsley over the top. Yay, job done.
Now, don't those prawns look great? They're covered in all that delicious tomato sauce. Crikey, they taste great too. Good, taste all of those flavours in there. Beautiful. Please try this recipe for yourself. You will not be disappointed. Thanks so much again guys for watching this latest video of mine, and Of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so, and you'll see all of my videos from the past and any more that I'm going to be making. Thanks again, bye for now.